Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
We're going. Oh my god.
Guys, we're not.
We're like progressing, so if we fuck up the poll, we might as well just go.
There's no point in wiping if we do that.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No,
Like-
I need my opener. I don't understand.
No, you
Fuck
don't.
your opener.
Bro, I need. Oh
Fuck
my
your
god!
opener!
Oh, let's go!
That's it. No one gets involved or barrier the entire fight.
It's okay, you guys can still have Radiant Finale.
And
Solid
blink.
go-
Quick random question. Are there any interjects in this entire fucking raid here?
Any
What?
what
Any
checks?
what?
Interject. You know, the thing with the cast bar is
I
red.
haven't
Oh.
seen one, no.
I don't think there are any interrupts.
I hope
What if
not.
half of these mechanics were
Interrupt.
interjectable and just nobody knew?
Oh man.
Yeah. Alright, Choco, what if I cover hallowed ground?
Stop it.
Oh my god.
And then a tank comes front flipping out of nowhere.
Monkey flip.
Just do mayonnaise.
What?
What?
Mayonnaise.
Like a hard drug?
Now we're cooking.
For the ads. For the dark
I
fire.
still don't fucking understand.
We're cooking mayonnaise, Jesse.
It's smaller, but
It's bigger once it expands.
I'm always
Yeah.
closer. Yeah, I know.
Jesus, smile. I'm very familiar.
Bet you are.
Sorry, man. Born a grower.
I'm glad you're not streaming.
Hate to have that immortalized.
Yeah.
It seems like super tight every time we do it, just like positions and stuff.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting here like, oh, I feel kind of comfortable with it, but I might be fucking somebody and I don't even know.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Out of context.
Yeah.
You're getting healing.
Fucking love healing.
Bubble.
Boob.
I love the bubble.
AoE.
So we get the bubble.
I'm trying to heal you!
Get the bubble.
If we do that, couldn't we mage LB too?
He said dude.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
I couldn't target.
Good.
Well, that was unexpected.
Last one.
Why is
That one like completely untouched.
Sticks, obviously.
Yeah. Ah.
I was still too far away, I think. Did I still clip people?
Six hands up. No, we don't. Not at all.
Alright.
I had to be more southerly.
Hang towards
Somebody took my tether.